I'm Ron from Coleno, the leading suite tab for managing accounts receivable, seamlessly integrated with NetSuite, and today I will show you how to customize the invoice group form in NetSuite. So NetSuite provides powerful customization options, allowing you to tailor the invoice group form to your needs. You can customize various components of the forms, actions, custom codes, fields, sublists, subtabs, etc. All you have to do is go to Customizations, Form, Entry Forms. Then you locate the standard invoice group form. So here you can see it. And you click on the left-hand side on the Customize button. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials on NetSuite customization and management. Once you're on this custom entry form page, you can begin customizing the form. You can change, for example, the text in the name field if you want to give the customized form a new name. You do all your changes here as usual for custom forms. And when you're ready, you click on Save in the top left. But please note, and it's important, that this customized form is an entry form, not a transaction form. So you cannot use it to generate a PDF statement. That's how you can customize the invoice group form in NetSuite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, and thank you for watching.